Mike Wilcox today. We're collecting overflight ortho imagery to track the Douglas fir canopy gap openings here at the Knife Creek block at the Fraser Research Forest. So yeah, this is what a drone overflight takeoff looks like. Mike, could you please hit it? Yeah, and then these drones have high-resolution cameras built into the bottom of them, as well as IMUs, or inertial measurement units, and high-accuracy GPSs, which allow them to fly along a pre-designed path that Mike's laid out. Oh, no worries. Oh no! Yeah, so a GPS drift error. Do you want to explain what a GPS drift error is?
It's just we establish a home point when we first start, and when we upload the flight plan, the automated flight plan, if that home point is not in agreement with the app, as in the GPS drifted at all, then we want to just re-upload everything again.
Yeah, and then what happens if the GPS points aren't aligned properly?
It just won't let us take off. So there's a lot of fail-safes that are involved, so it just doesn't let you do anything.
Nice.
Lead to inaccuracies or dangerous flight conditions. So we're ready to take off?
All right, hit it. Oh. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, for the kids at home. There we go. And there we are. Oh, that's so cool. And so in this shot here, you can actually see the drone gaining a bit more altitude and getting in position to start taking the overflight photos. Yeah, and then this map right here is the actual area where the drone's going to be taking off through. And it's the KML shapefile that I sent to Mike. Oh!
So now that it's at its survey altitude, it's going to point north to make sure its GPS and compasses are all in agreement. And then it's going to point to its start point and start moving. And it will start to terrain follow up the hill in this case.
Nice. And why are you using terrain follow?
We want to maintain a consistent margin between the sensor and whatever we're surveying, so that we maintain consistent overlap between the images for photogrammetry.
Awesome. Yeah, so thanks so much, Mike. I really appreciate you coming out and letting me film all this. Again, Mike's working for FYBR over there. FYBR Solutions is based out of Vancouver and offers turnkey drone solutions. To forestry, yeah, forestry specifically. Thank you so much, and have a great day.